Okay, this is going to be an explanation of a crafty area proof for parallelograms. Okay, and remember, I'm going to zoom through this so that you don't get bored because it should be a reminder. If you need to stop for vocabulary to double check a point, that's what your pause button is for. So don't stress if I go quickly, just take control. So, if I have a beautiful, and we all love a good parallelogram, here is my parallelogram. My parallelogram has a height of 4 and a base of 6. It's a parallelogram, so both sides, I have two pairs of parallel sides, and these sides will be equal to each other. This side and this side are equal in length, and this side and this side. So my bases are equal. But when I want to try and calculate my area, I'm going to have that same problem that I encountered with my triangle, where if I start counting up my whole squares, I don't know what to do with these guys. But if I put out, let me get him turned the right way. If I put out a new one, and I actually do the same thing, but this time I'm not adding anything new. If I just cut off that side of my parallelogram and pop it over to here, it looks remarkably like a rectangle. It looks so much like a rectangle that if I put them together, I see it is, if it was just going to stay still, it's equal to the area of my base times height. So with my parallelogram, if I take this side away and pop it here, I form a rectangle, and I always will, because these sides and these angles will always be the same in a parallelogram. So, and it might even, if it's not too confusing, I'm going to keep one guy there, and maybe if I just color this one in, I hope it's not too confusing, but you can see how by shifting that one there and putting that there, you get your area of a rectangle, which shows me that my parallelogram has the same formula for area that a rectangle does, base times height, simple as. But now you know why. Okay, are we all Gucci? Everybody understands? And here's a quick reminder of the visuals for calculating that crafty area of a triangle and how we applied that to our parallelogram. Any questions, reach out to me, reach out to the forum.